Hello, everyone, and welcome to IntelliBooks. I'm Manish, and at IntelliBooks, we build intelligent AI agents that automate business processes, cut repetitive manual work, and help organizations move faster and smarter.
And I'm Abhishek. Today we are introducing the Field Marketing Tracker AI agent, built for teams that regularly visit restaurants, cafes, grocery stores, and retail outlets to promote products like POS systems.
So let's start with the problem, because honestly, it's a familiar one. A lot of field marketing teams still depend on Excel sheets to log outlet visits. Reps go out, meet prospects, take notes somewhere, and then later they manually enter customer details, follow updates, visit outcomes, all of it.
Right.
And that sounds manageable until it really isn't.
Exactly. Those spreadsheet-based workflows often create incomplete records, duplicate entries, missed follow-ups, and very little visibility into what each representative actually accomplished. Recent industry reporting still shows many field teams ending the day by filling spreadsheets, which means data is often delayed and managers are working from yesterday's picture, not today's reality.
Yeah, and that delay is expensive. If a lead sits in a sheet instead of a live system, it can just vanish from attention.
So our goal was to replace that manual process with a simple AI assistant that understands natural language. A representative can just say, I am visiting Cafe Leone tomorrow at 4 p.m. for a POS demonstration, and the system gets to work.
Which is kind of the fun part, right? Because the rep is not opening a spreadsheet, not hunting for columns, not wondering what format to use.
Exactly. The AI automatically creates an outlet record if it's a new business and stores the important details like outlet type, address, contact information, and sales status. At the same time, it creates a visit record with the representative's name, visit date, scheduled time, meeting purpose, visit status, and expected outcome. Everything is organized automatically.
And there's another detail here that really matters: time. These systems break when they assume what today means.
Yes. Before processing any schedule, the AI checks the current date and time and asks for the representative's time zone whenever needed. That matters because calendar systems require explicit start and end times, and official developer guidance is very clear that time zone handling has to be specified correctly for timed events.
Right. Because tomorrow at 4 only works if everybody agrees on what tomorrow and 4 actually mean.
Exactly. Once the visit is saved, the AI asks one simple question. Would you like me to add this visit to your Google Calendar? If the representative says yes, it creates a calendar event with the outlet address, meeting purpose, contact details, and useful notes, so the rep's normal calendar reminders take over.
And that sync matters too. According to the official calendar documentation, events can be created, updated, and canceled through the calendar system, so the workflow stays aligned instead of living in two separate places.
That's the key. If a visit is rescheduled, both the visit record and calendar event are updated together. If it's cancelled, the event is removed and the visit status is updated, keeping everything synchronized.
Okay, and after the meeting, what does the rep actually do?
Very simple. The representative sends the meeting outcome and uploads a proof photo. The AI records the outcome, marks the visit as completed, updates the outlet's sales stage, and stores the photo reference.
So the result is a fully digital field marketing workflow. Less spreadsheet maintenance, more customer time.
Exactly. Managers get real-time visibility into planned visits, completed meetings, prospects, demos, and sales progress through structured data. And that lines up with what newer field operations playbooks emphasize in 2026. Standardized capture, fewer duplicates, faster follow-up, and cleaner reporting.
In other words, every field visit becomes trackable, organized, synchronized, and actually useful for decision-making.
That's the promise of the IntelliBooks Field Marketing Tracker AI agent, helping teams work smarter, stay organized, and close more business.
Thanks for listening. Stay connected with AI for more intelligent business automation solutions.